Hello and welcome to this channel. Today we're going to talk about the 8 YouTube channels that I follow and that have helped me a lot in my investing journey, and I hope that it will help you. Hi, my name is Stefan, and in this channel we talk about investing and we give you a lot of information on how you can be a better investor. Also, this mission of this channel is to try to create 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So jump on with this mission and let's get this message to as many people as we can. I'm in a country where I can't get monetized, so we're not doing this for the money. We're trying to get as many people as we can to the investing journey. So the channel that I'm going to discuss is Phil Town's channel. It's called the Rule 1 Investing. This channel, without this channel, I would have never been able to know anything much about investing as what I do know today. And he's helped me throughout these years, almost 2 years now, understanding how the best investors invest there and breaking down the economy or the investing strategy in pieces so that I can easily digest it. He also has a podcast with his daughter called Invest It, and I've spoke about this in my previous videos. He goes into depth with his daughter. He teaches her as they have podcast, and through his books. You can see some of the videos that I made as well. So definitely Phil Town. If you don't know about him, much about him, it's definitely worth a look into to understand investing if you are new to the investing or if you're an existing investor. The next one is Fincarlin. I hope I'm not saying his name wrong, but he is very close to my heart because he invests in many stocks that I invested in or that I still invested in. And what he does is he takes one company, he dissects that company, and he talks about that company and make you understand it, the numbers and the future outlook of that company. So if you want to know more about certain value investing companies, he's taken a lot of different companies and dissecting it. But you can see some of these videos. I've watched quite a few, and I can't get to all of them, but super valuable. Have a look at this channel, and it will give you a wealth of knowledge. The next one is New Money. Brendan, the Aussie wealth creation. He is from Australia, but he talks a lot about different investing strategies as well. But again, value investing, that is the investing that I like in. Buy low, sell high, the intrinsic value of a company. Basically buy $1 for 50 cents. And so this channel has been about 3 to 4 years old right now, and in the beginning he talked a lot about just basic investing strategies. Now he's actually looking into different investors as well and talk about them, and a really good channel to follow if you're brand new to investing or if you just want to know on a daily basis. One I can't go without saying is Brad Kellner. He is the one that inspired me to just put on the camera and start talking and trying to help as many people as I can there, because his story has been fantastic as well. He started just over a year ago. He's already got 7,000 subscribers, so he's really helping a lot of people. I've got a lot of great ideas from him, a lot of good people to follow as well, and just a phenomenal person. He also has a baby right now. His baby is about 4 or 5 months old when I'm making this video, and my baby is now almost 1 year old on the 2nd of April. So we have a lot in common there, and I can't wait to have a discussion with Brad in the future of investing. Other than that, Brad Kellner also he also believes in the same investors as me, but the stock compounder, as he's known, he goes and talks a lot about famous investors, and he breaks those channels down, and he just does almost daily videos as well. So a really good channel to follow if you want to get into investing. Okay, those are getting into investing and trying to learn about investing. The next one is going to be about the economy and the macro environment. I did a video recently about the best books to read. I'm reading another book right now, and I'm obviously probably going to read a lot more about Peter Schiff, but he talks about the economy around the world, but specifically American economy. And he has a podcast that he puts on his YouTube channels called the Peter Schiff Show, where it takes about an hour and he talks exactly what's happening that week. About every 2 or 3 days, he will put a podcast out there. All kudos for Peter. I really appreciate his fight against any oppression or negativity that's happening in America, and standing up for himself. I really admire him for that. Peter Schiff is definitely a must know for any economic or any macro, any micro investor. Definitely have a look at Peter. Next, we're talking about some people that you can follow in the resource section, and just also macro environment mostly. This is George Gammon. Let me just go up so you can see George Gammon. He runs a channel called The Rebel Capitalist Show. And what I like about it, I also just did a video about him to follow him on Twitter. But what I like about him is he brings on some of the best of the best of the best. Here we can see Rick Rule. I've watched quite a lot of his videos so far. He does live question and answers. He brings some of the best people in the world on his show, and somebody that is very reliable when it comes to putting out fantastic content out there. The next one is Jake Ducey. Same thing. He brings pretty much the same people on his show, but going into depth when it comes to the macroeconomics, silver, gold, and where the future is. I mean, he also just got a baby, so we have quite a lot in common. But what the future holds for America and the people out there. So yeah, get on this wagon, please. Put a like down below so that we can get this out to as many people as we can, so that they can just get into the investing space, because it's such a daunting area that people think, oh, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough knowledge, I don't know how to start. Now, this channel wants to help with that, but also the channels that I recommend now will definitely give the people some more confidence to get into investing. The last one I want to talk about is baby investments. Now, he also talks a lot about natural resource stocks, but it's a great place to understand. Sometimes he takes one company and he breaks it down, try to get the net asset value, the net present value, and trying to see the numbers and to see if it's a good investment or not. I really like his channel. I've watched quite a few videos. Lately I haven't watched, but I watched some of his videos explaining certain commodities that I've never even heard of, like graphite and battery metals, trying to understand the market a little bit better. So there you go. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 YouTube channels that you can start your investing journey at, or if you know somebody that will benefit from this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, put your comment down below. I would like to know if you have some channels that I can follow. I would really appreciate that. Maybe your channel. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Again, my name is Stefan, and let's go ahead and get this to as many people as we can. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.